as per the limited information, he died in captivity on the 23rd of December. Today we are already in the mid of January. We also told the management company whose representatives were there yesterday in Goa that the first thing is what we request the embassy, all the representatives involved, to make sure that we can find his body in whatever condition it is. Irrelevant. We know it is going to be 30 days for a body which is probably disposed of, and we do not know what was the mode of disposing of this body. But take the initiative, locate where this body has been disposed, how it is disposed, whatever conditions it is. If it is buried, get it out.
So, तेम इन्फॉर्मेशन जो फोटो बरो ना जालो हेर आनी कांय व्हडलें डिटेल तेमी दिल ना आमकां आनी तेगे बॉडी खूंय आहा ते पासून तेमी आमकां कांय हें केलें ना 20 जाणां हाडपा म्हणटा नेगोसिएशन केल्लें आतां सडनली हे सगळें रिलीज केलें म्हणटरी हो न्यूज दिला तेमी डिमांड घातलो कंपनीक जाता तितलें ट्राय करून तेजी बॉडी तरी आमकां घरा हाडची म्हणून